Starting around 31 October 2023, Jasmy coin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very huge. Jasmy really has a kind of all-out market cap of $163,481,408, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,781,176 in every practical sense, enormous way. This for the most part makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, truly positioning at 152 in the digital currency market, or so they by and large thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin especially be worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Is Jasmy coin a kind of wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Will Jasmy cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled for the most part high in an all things considered huge way? These for the most part are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, or so they sort of thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross a kind of normal value level of $0.005, the normal certainly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to by and large be $0.004, which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, Jasmy can basically arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.005, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which truly is genuinely critical. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.004, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy value gauge September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.004, with a sort of least cost of around $0.004. Especially further appearance how while the typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.004, which really is genuinely critical. Discussing the sort of typical value Jasmy can stretch around $0.004 for September, so discussing the truly normal value Jasmy can sort of stretch around $0.004 for September, which sort of is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the especially greatest cost for Jasmy coin could especially stretch around $0.005, which truly is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 in every way that really matters is $0.004, with an extremely normal cost of $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin sort of is supposed to by and large arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.004, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Jasmy cost could essentially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.005, with the by and large normal cost around $0.004, which sort of shows that besides Jasmy can arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.005 in a for the most part significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin generally will be for the most part anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0.004 in December 2023 in a kind of significant way. The Jasmy cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.005, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023 in a really significant manner. Jasmy coin past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 0.01% in its in every way that really matters, current worth in a sort of huge way. In the event that we generally look at the in every practical sense, current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, showing how Jasmy value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin for the most part is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a very least value worth of $0.004, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin basically is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. Further appearance, how might Jasmy cost all things considered outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Jasmy in a real sense is down to nearly 6.42% over the most recent 7 days in a really significant manner. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for essentially yet, we don't in every practical sense, feel that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, which really is very critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy basically diminished by 51.376%, taking out an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.004 from its genuinely current worth, which truly shows that Jasmy value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a by and large great, generally purchase an open door for fast venture. Further appearance how Jasmy value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, or so they basically thought. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 36.37%, and the value sort of circled from a fundamentally least all things considered normal cost of $0.005 to in every way that really matters most extreme normal cost of $0.005 in the especially beyond 90 days. Genuinely further appearance how assuming you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin certainly be all things considered worth in 2023, which certainly is very critical. Jasmy coin in a real sense is somewhere near 7.44% with the by and large greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin was around $0.003 and the in every way that really matters least especially normal cost of generally was around $0.003 in genuinely beyond 4 months. Sort of additional appearance how the Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.005 with the sort of typical cost around $0.004, which explicitly shows that besides Jasmy can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.005 in a significant manner. Jasmy coin value figure 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Jasmy coin exceptionally worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The Jasmy cost really is gauged to arrive at an essentially most extreme